Number 2, we're looking at the graph of the piecewise function that's been given to us, and we need to pick a function that represents that graph. Now, notice that this graph kind of splits right here, and we see something different to the left of x equals 0 than we do to the right of x equals 0. Okay, this is x greater than 0. This side would be x less than 0. So then let's see what our different functions look like. Notice that to the right of x equals 0, we just get a line going straight up here. Okay, and if you notice, what we usually try to do is write it in this, since this is a straight line, y equals mx plus b form. In this case, our slope is 1, that's up 1 over 1, and our b value, or our y-intercept, is 0. In this case, we get the equation y equals x. We also know this equation y equals x because inverses are always a reflection across that line, so we're quite familiar with that line, y equals x. So we should have y equals x to the right of x equals 0, or x greater than 0. That means that we can get rid of both c and d because we want to have this x if x greater than 0. So now we just need to decide between a and b. And so the question is here, and this looks like half of a parabola, and that parabola is going downward, so we would expect to see a negative x squared rather than a positive x squared. So if we look at a, it has positive x squared for x less than or equal to 0, or x to the left of x equals 0, and this one has a negative x squared. So we definitely want to choose B.